Netflix basic plan details. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn about the basic plan details of Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have Netflix and then you have got a basic plan, for this you just have to go to netflix.com/change plan. So here we have four different types of plan. The first is the mobile plan, offering you 480 pixels of quality. The basic plan offers you 720 pixels of quality, which is decent for a normal user. The standard offers you 1080 pixels, which is very good if you're trying to watch it on computer. The last one offers you 4K premium ultra HD plan, which you can stream up to 4K on even your TVs and so on. So depending on what is it that you want, so basically the basic plan over here, good video quality in HD, which is 720p. It's not really that great, not even 1080p, so 720 is a decent quality, which you can watch ad-free on any of your device, tablet, computer, or even TV. So if you're trying to watch on a big larger screen, then the 720 pixels might not be enough for you. If it's only on a mobile phone or a tablet, then I would definitely recommend you can choose the basic plan and go with it. But if you're doing it for a family, you're doing it for a TV, 720 pixels isn't really that enough, because you might notice the blur and the lower quality. But 720p for a mobile device is absolutely fair, which costs you only 199 Indian rupees. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.